Karamihan ng taga-NBI ay trustworthy, may integridad. Pero yung pumasok sa Senado, those are the scumbags. And they should face charges aside from contempt ng Senado. Kasi ang ginawa nila, binastos nila ang proseso. Inulpi nila yung tao doon eh. Nakita ko sa video. So there is prima facie evidence that some NBI agents manhandled one of OSAA security at pambabastos ng sesyon ng Senado ang ginawa nila. Epal na epal itong si Trillanes. He is not a member of the NBI. Neither he is a law enforcer. Anong ginagawa niya sa Senado? Ang sabi niya, ito yung warrant. Arestuin nila si Senator Bato. Yun pa lang, pwede siyang imbestigahan ng Senado for contempt.
Sa Senado, anong, bakit tayo nandito ngayon, sir?
Well, just like last night, ang ipinaglalaban natin yung depensa ng Senado. We are defending democracy. Ang Senado ay isang bastion of our democracy. And it has to be protected dahil nangyari nga kahapon. I was here and I was dismayed by what had happened. The NBI, for the longest time, mataas ang respeto ko sa NBI because when I was commissioner of the PACC, we worked together. Pero hindi lahat ng nasa NBI ay involved doon sa nangyaring commotion. So karamihan ng taga-NBI ay trustworthy, may integridad. Pero yung pumasok sa Senado, those are the scumbags. And they should face charges aside from contempt ng Senado. Kasi ang ginawa nila, binastos nila ang proseso dahil ginawa nilang automatic yung service ng warrant eh. A foreign warrant from the ICC cannot be enforced automatically. Dapat dumaan sa ating korte. Dapat i-evaluate yan. Kahit sa Rome Statute nakalagay yan eh. Eh bakit naman gusto nilang bilisan? Merong political undertone doon eh. Parang they're trying to prevent the good Senator Bato de la Rosa from voting eh, para hindi mangyari yung change of leadership in the Senate. So may konting pangit doon sa nangyari. At yung pag-manhandle nila sa OSAA, one of the OSAA security, eh hindi tama yun. That should really result in the filing of charges. Inulpi nila yung tao doon eh. Nakita ko sa video. So there is prima facie evidence that some NBI agents manhandled one of OSAA security at pambabastos ng sesyon ng Senado ang ginawa nila. Maybe they coordinated with the previous leadership yung tinanggal na Senate President Soto. But when there was already a change of leadership, they should have retrograded to Patras at hindi na to proceed with the original plan of theirs. Kaya nakalete-lete doon eh. And they violated practically all the laws. Kaya masama ang loob ko sa NBI, pero hindi sa lahat. I still salute the NBI as an institution. Pero yung mga passively guilty, I call on Kompanyero Director Matubag to go all out against them. Investigahan sila, huwag silang protektahan, kasuhan sila.
Sir, si Trillanes ang nanguna kahapon sa pagbibigay ng warrant of arrest di umano. Anong papel ni Trillanes?
Ano, he appeared to be like a clown to me. He has no enforcement power. Definitely he's a civilian. Anong ginagawa niya? Dinidisplay niya yung supposedly warrant. To me, hindi pa nga sigurado tayo na warrant yun eh. It may be spurious. So, epal na epal itong si Trillanes. He is not a member of the NBI. Neither he is a law enforcer. Anong ginagawa niya sa Senado? Ang sabi niya, ito yung warrant. Arestuin nila si Senator Bato. Yun pa lang, pwede siyang imbestigahan ng Senado for contempt.
Hindi ba to?
And also for disturbance of the session of the Senate.
Hindi siya treason. Wala.
Hindi. Possible violation of the Senate rules because of interfering with the Senate session and possibly, well, if you can establish conspiracy on his part with the NBI, yung anim, and the others, probably can also be charged criminally under the revised penal code.
Hindi ba dapat sinita siya ng NBI?
Eh yun nga hindi siya sinita. So, I'm surprised why hindi siya sinita. And then he had the audacity to claim that he is there to enforce the warrant. So, ibig sabihin, nag-usap sila? Well, I'm not concluding There should be further investigation of Mr. Trillanes. Kung may kasalanan si Trillanes, then bakit hindi siya sampahan? Bakit hindi siya citing contempt? Some senators, I feel, are on the same line as mine na dapat imbestigahan siya at panagutin.
Sir, yung Pangulo, wala pang statement patungkol sa nangyayari.
Well, kasi itong NBI is under the Secretary of Justice. Kung hindi mag-issue ng statement ang Malacanang, hindi parang tolerate nilang ginawa ng mga NBI agents, itong mga rogue NBI agents. But we are not saying that the entire NBI is guilty of this. Yun lang, mga personnel na yon. Lalong-lalo na yung NBI agent na matangkad na malaking tao. Nakita ko sa video parang siyang may nambumbog doon sa security ng usaha That fellow should be charged under the revised penal code. Possibly serious physical injuries and cited in contempt. Ikulong yun. Bad example for the NBI. But the NBI stands as an institution. Pero yung mga guilty sa NBI, dapat managot sila base sa batas.
Sir, last na lang, bilang isang lawyer, anong masasabi mo na pinapalahura yung batas?
Itong pambabastos sa batas, nakita na natin sa kaso ni Tatay Digong, wherein former CIDG Chief Torre, hindi niya nirespeto ang batas Binastos siya si Tatay Digong. Dito, kahapon, inattempt nila bastusin ang batas. Dito naman sa kaso ni Senator De La Rosa. Unfortunately for them, si Senator De La Rosa was prepared for that eventuality at hindi nila nagawa. Ang mali lang nila, binastos nilang Senado and this will cost them their freedom kung makasuhan sila under the revised penal code. This should serve as a lesson to some rogue NBI agents. So I call on and challenge Director Batibag na huwag silang itolerate. Let the hammer fall, though the heavens cry. No? Sabi nga natin, para na, basta kung guilty, managot ang dapat managot. Huwag silang itolerate para hindi masira ang buong NBI.
Pero masasabi mo na nangyayari to under this current administration?
Alam mo, marami ng incidents nangyari na tulad nito Papapasto sa batas. Bending the law. Senator Tulfo Erwin, sinabi niya bending the law. So, Ombudsman Remulla, na sumang-ayon sa kanya. Tapos itong nangyari sa mga NBI agents, violating the sanctity of the premises of the Senate and also the proceedings or the session of the Senate. Kay Torre nangyari. All of this under the administration of President Marcos Jr. So, Mr. President, anong nangyayari sa inyo? Are you losing control over your men? Yan ang yung nagkuha namin impression dito Kasi, it's a chain reaction already. Marami ng incidents
Sir, thank you.
Thank you very much.